फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे वेजिटेबल नेम। दिस इज टोमेटो। दिस इज कैरेट। दिस इज पोटैटो। This is brinjal. This is beetroot. This is chili. This is mushroom. This is cucumber. This is radish. This is ginger. This is mint. This is garlic. This is peas. This is pumpkin. This is cabbage. This is corn. This is broccoli. This is capsicum. This is spinach. This is lemon. This is bunch of lady finger. Like, share, subscribe.